Hi, welcome to Live Connect, week 9, and today we have come up with some very easy recipes which you can do it at home. We are starting with garlic bread, which you normally get in normal fast food places, but they don't add actual cheese. So this you can make it at home yourself. And next we are doing is French onion soup, and after that
Spicy cashew veggie bowl.
and a salad which is spicy cashew veggie bowl. So let's start with fast food style uh, cheese garlic bread. Let's see how it goes. We can start with.
So for today, to make the fast food style cheese garlic bread pulao, so what we have done is we have made a dough before in batch and kept it ready, and we're gonna show you the how the way we make the garlic bread now, the dough for the garlic bread. Yeah. So we add some water. And some sugar. Mix the sugar. And some yeast. So this is very easy method. So what we basically going to do is activate the yeast with some flour. It's very healthy, the method which we are showing today. So now the sugar has got melted and even the yeast as well. So now we will be adding some flour to it. The ratio is equal amount of water with equal amount of flour. To this we are adding some salt. And this one will be resting for say around 1 hour, so that it can prove properly and doubles up in its motion. The entire basin gets filled up with that. So I'll show you once our live session is over. I'll show you how it looks. So once you start this, you need to give a definite amount of 1 hour and dedication to make this garlic bread snack. Now this one will act as a starter for your garlic bread. Once the starter doubles up in its size, we can add 100 grams of flour again, or say it depends on how peelable you want your dough. So to that we will add the flour and we will let it rest. And after we do that, after we add the flour, and this is how it becomes our dough. So now this one goes for resting in a warm place so that it can double up in size. And now this is the dough which is made. Look how fluffy and soft and fresh it is. So we're gonna flour the surface. See? We are giving a nice and gentle fold to the dough so that it becomes nice and smooth and pliable. You can roll it. The dough weight is 100 gram for one portion. You can use your rolling pin, which is very easy at home. And stretch it like a nice big paratha roti. So to this, I have to show you some ingredients that goes inside the cheese garlic bread. So here is garlic and butter and some thyme herbs mixed together and kept it separately. Along with this, I have some butter, some jalapeno, some mozzarella cheese, the real dairy cheese, parmesan cheese, the parmesan, real Italian parmesan cheese, grated one, and I have some oregano seasoning. You can gently rub it throughout the dough on both the sides. So now we're gonna put some jalapenos. Some corn. Now we're gonna add some cheese, lot of cheese. And some more cheese, so it's really stretchy and gooey. Now we're gonna add some oregano seasoning. Generous amount of oregano seasoning. There you go. And you can fold it like a calzone and close it on all the sides. And we're gonna brush it with butter. Before that, we are setting up our tray, baking tray. The thing is, we have to be really careful while shifting it to the we're gonna brush it with more butter. Some more oregano seasoning on top. And now some Parmesan cheese. And this goes inside the oven for baking for at 220-degree temperature for 6 minutes. So along with our French onion soup, we will show you how this cheese garlic bread has came out from the oven. We'll catch you up in 2 minutes after we set up the place.